Welcome back to Theme Park Spark. Radiator Springs Racers is the most popular ride at Disney California Adventure. But when you ride it and which track you get makes a huge difference in your experience. In this video, I'm showing you a side-by-side comparison of the ride during the day and at night so you can decide if you'd rather rope drop it or wait until after the sun sets. But definitely watch until the end, because there are actually two different tracks and two totally different experiences right before the big race. You won't want to miss the difference. But first, let's watch the day and night POV side by side.
Radiator Springs.
Not only need to be fast,
You need to look fast. Ciao. Ramone.
Ramone will get you up, right? Looking good. Get me inside. All right. Good luck, man.
Come on in, rookie.
Shiny Pete don't win a race.
Now get out there and do us proud.
Una formale, due forbici, tre together, and quattro, go!
Exit to your left. Remember, take all your personal belongings. And as long as you're in my zone, stay out of trouble.
Now that you've seen the difference in day versus night, there's one more thing you need to know about this ride. When you're inside the show building, the track actually splits right before the big race. In the POV I just showed you, we visited Ramone, but half the cars are sent over to see Luigi instead. Here's a look at what happens on the Luigi side of the track.
Luigi!
This is Luigi.
Now you look like a real race car. Going up to the starting line.
It is real. Versus the first time is the best player to
Takes more than two tires to win a race.
It's real. Hopefully we win.
Engine hard. Get it into the groove. So pay attention. Do it proud.
This side usually wins when we're on the other.
Yes. Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life.
And here's a reminder of what happens on the Ramone side of the track.
Well, I'm Ramone, bitch, you up, right? Looking good. Get me inside. All right. Good luck, man.
Come on in, rookie.
Shiny Pete don't win a race.
Now get out there and do us proud.
Most glorious race of your life. Uno for one, due for the show. Try to get ready and quattro to go.
Tell me in the comments whether you'd prefer to ride Radiator Springs Racers during the day or at night, and whether you would prefer to visit Luigi or Ramone. Either way, you'll want to check out my experience using the single rider line at Radiator Springs Racers to see how much time you can really save in this completely free shortcut to the front of the line. I suggest watching that next. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified about upcoming videos about Disneyland and other fun places worth visiting in Southern California and beyond. See you next time.